Okay, in this video I'm going to use the same method as before, but I'm going to use a decimal. What is 20% of 20.2, or 20 and 2 tenths? Well, the first step is, of course, to turn my 20% into a decimal. And last time we did that, we found out that 20%, again, 20% divided by 100. I get rid of that, I take care of that, and then I just read it, and I get 0.2. Or I just take the decimal and I move it 2 places to the left, and I get 0.2. Same thing, or 2 tenths, 2 tenths, 2 tenths. Congrats, we're good. Okay. Okay. So now that we have our decimal, we do 0.20 times, remember the of means multiply, 20.2. Okay, cool. Let's line up those decimals. Just like I said, if you do it every time, no big deal. If you want to keep that 0, you can. I'll go ahead and keep it, and I added that one in. Do I need it? No, I could take these off and get the same exact result. But what's important is I have to keep track of my decimal point, place values at the end. So we're going to multiply. We're not adding. We're multiplying. So 0 times anything is, well, 0. And then 2 times 0 is 0. Again, this is the place value I'm working with, so my results start here, not here. Oh, I'm so sorry. There we go. We got you covered now. 0 times everything here gives me the first row of zeros, and then 2 times 0 gave me this 0. Again, I start in this place value down below when I get the results, because that's the place value that I'm multiplying, the 10th position. And then I wrote this in just as a placeholder. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. Now I add, because multiplication is repeated addition. And then I add these 2 zeros. I get 0 and 0, 4, 0, 4. Okay. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I keep my decimal, and now I have, this is all equal to 4.04, or 4 4/100ths. That is what 20% of 20.2 is. Does that make sense? Yeah. Because if I was to multiply this times 5, it would actually give me 20.2. Because 20 times 5 is 100%. 20% times 5 is 100%. So this times 5 would give me that, because that's 100%. So this is 20% of that. And there's your other method.